Good morning, trail running friends and hiking friends. Today is Saturday, May the 3rd, 2025, and I'm here again at the KLO Creek, and the plan is to go for a hike jog to Angel Springs, turn off and come back. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, the Garmin watch is running. So let's see what we can do. Hike and jog. Okay, hikers, joggers, and trail runners. So far so good. I'm in the jog mode and I feel pretty good right now. So yeah, heart rate is pretty high, 138. That's not great, but so far so good. $7.59 for the first kilometer here at KLO Creek, and it's uphill, not super steep, but yeah, so not bad. 139 heart rate. I need to slow down a little bit, but so far so good. Okay, hikers and joggers, my jogging already came to an end here. Look, usually it's pretty easy to cross here, but it's too much water and too wet, and I don't want to get my shoes wet, though I hate that. So yeah, that's not good. So I'm going to check out the tree, and if I can't cross over there, then I'm going to turn around. That's too bad. Okay, I couldn't cross, so maybe I can continue here. But let's check it out. Looks like there's some kind of a trail here, but can't jog anymore. Well, at this point, we'll see. Yeah, can't continue, so just turn around and maybe jog a little bit on the road. Okay, hikers, joggers and trail runners, I'm on my way back. Unfortunately, I had to turn around at the creek. I didn't even think about this. Just in the last 2 weeks, the melting has started, and all the creeks are higher now, so I can't cross it and don't want to fall and slip, and yeah. So I'll go back to where the car's parked, the van, and maybe I'm gonna jog on the road. Maybe 2K out, 2K back, or something like that. Okay, let's see. Oh. Look at this. Real rock climbers here at KLO Creek. Incredible. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful climbing here, I guess. Not that I would do it, but yeah, very nice. Okay, hikers, joggers and trail runners here. And you just saw there were some rock climbers and I knew him. So yeah, perfect temperature, very nice spot. Yeah, so anyways, continue here back to the parking lot. It's only like a couple of minutes away. And then, like I said, I'm gonna see if I can jog alongside the road. They even have a nice washroom here, and that's pretty new too. Only like 2 years, I think. So yeah, very nice. I guess it's good when you're a rock climber. You've got some washrooms nearby. And sometimes there are a lot of people rock climbing here. Like, I don't know, 50. Okay, we're back here at the parking lot. 2.65k with a lot of stops. So that was not the plan. So I think I'm just gonna continue jogging that way, maybe for 2k or something. Let's see. Let's see. Third kilometer, 7:06. That's not bad. So let's see. I can get one more. That's kind of funny. This is not the run, hike, jog I thought it would be. I thought, nice KLO Creek, and here I'm running on the side of the paved road right now. Haven't run on the paved road in a year for sure. Anyways, it is what it is, and it's uphill, but it's good. It's all good. It's all training, right? So I'm gonna continue a little further. I'm still jogging here alongside the road, and I just had an idea. Look at this. The Mirabello Provincial Park, Cattle Valley Railway. That's the way to the Trussels. It's 8k of uphill, 8 kilometers of Forest Service road. But yeah, why am I not? I think I'm just gonna super slow hike up and see how it goes, and then come back the same way. It's all gonna be downhill, but now, yeah, super slow. Yeah, look at this. You can see how steep it is. Let's continue. Jogging mode, super slow, on the Forest Service Road, 7:44 for 4th kilometer. It's too steep. I wanted to jog and not hike and walk. So I see a vehicle there. Let's go to the vehicle, turn around, and get back on the road, because I want to jog. I need to jog. This is it. It's way too steep for me right now. So here I am at the burned out vehicle. So let's turn around here at the vehicle. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. It's still warm. It's still smoldering. Wow. Well, this is weird. Yeah. Holy moly. It just burned. Maybe last night. Oh wow. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna take a separate video of this and then we're gonna continue our jog, okay? Back on the paved road. Let's head back to KLO Creek parking lot. 5th kilometer, 10:29. But of course, that included the stopping there at the burned out pickup truck. All right, I'm back here at the parking lot and my watch says 5.97 kilometers, 6 kilometers stop and go and walk. So I'm not super happy with that. So I think I'm gonna go grab the battery because my battery level is low here on the camera, and I'm just gonna hike back to the creek and hike back. That would add another 2 kilometers. So let's do that. Okay, I changed the battery in the camera, so I'm gonna do another jog out to the creek there. Creek crossing, 1 kilometer. 10:31, kilometer 7, and I stopped, took a washroom break, and I talked to some people. Anyways, back here on the KLO Creek trail, it's just nicer than on the road. So let's go back to the crossing we can cross, and turn around. Back at the crossing we can cross. Let's head back to the parking lot. (10:16) on the, I don't know, 7th K, whatever. I stopped again, I talked again to the rock climbers, that's why it's not fast or quicker. So, yeah. I'm heading back to the parking lot here of KLO Creek, and I call it a day. Maybe. We're back here where we started. This is it. Okanagan walkers, hikers, joggers and trail runners. This was a really different kind of activity today. So yeah, let's stop the watch quickly. Okay, saving the activity. 8.66 kilometer, 1 hour 20. Yeah, a lot of stopping, talking, walking, but it's nice. It's nice, especially when you try to get back into the jogging and running. There's like the past memories. We just want to run fast, and yeah, it doesn't work that way, I guess. If you stop running for a year and a half and do hiking and jogging instead, I guess there's again a training curve that has to be done. Anyways, it's all good. I'm super happy, temperature is great. So this is it for today, and maybe I talk to you again tomorrow.